Hey everybody, look what came in. Yay! Get hooked. Leither Company. So I had put this on hold for last month and it went through, I forgot about it, it went through, so I got another one, but then I put it on hold for the following month. So I got this in. I gotta start using the yarn that's in here. I haven't used the yarn. And I have so many ideas, you know. So I want to give it a shot. First, I'll introduce myself. I am Pam, Pamela's Creations. And crochet and diamond painting, jewelry, jewelry making, paper crafts I'm learning, and cross stitching I'm learning. I kind of put cross stitching a little bit on the back burner right now until I can concentrate a little bit more. So yeah, there's that. I forgot about my giveaway, and I will put that at the end of this video that I was supposed to draw on the 18th. So yeah, I completely forgot about it. So just 1 second, we'll get this box open. Okay, I got the box ready to open. And first I want to show you my coffee I'm drinking today. It is just Maxwell House with some Irish cream creamer, and I just want to show you my cup. This is one of my favorite cups right here. Yeah, that is my favorite cup. Yum. So let me take a drink. So yeah, little giveaway I was doing. I was giving away one of my diamond paintings, so I will show you that at the end of the video. So let's get started. First of all, I absolutely love the paper they put in here, and I can use that for other things, the other gifts and whatnot, so it's not wasted. Sorry for the crinkling. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love these colors. They mix so well with that. So it's called Blooming Flowers DK. 100% merino, 231 yards. That is a really good bunch of yarn there. That'd make a pretty scarf. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at the colors on here. They look so good together, don't they? Wow. Look at that. Ugh. Let's see what kind of hook we got. Ooh, look at the hook, guys. So with Leither, this package I get, I don't know about the other ones. I will put their information down below in the description box. But you always get, you know, the one I have, you get a yarn, you get a hook, or they're cute hooks. What size is that? I can't tell. Is that a D? Yeah, it's a super cute hook. I love it. So yeah, you get a yarn, a hook, and you always get some kind of what do you call that? Stitch marker. So let's look at the stitch marker they gave you. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, super cute. Look at that. Super cute. That is so cute. Look at that. Super cute. Wow, that's super neat. And then you get this book. It's called May flowers collection. I haven't really looked through here to see what they have. Let me look in here real quick. See, there is a, oh, here's this. That's so cute. It's like one of the patterns. I don't know if I'd make that though. I mean, it's super cute. But I would love to make like a scarf or something. Yeah, it's like a cozy. And then you have this garden flower coaster. I like the cup. It's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's all that's in here right now. It just talks about Leither. Yeah. So that is the yarn for that. What a cute one. And it's pretty. It's really, really, really pretty. And I think it'd make it like a pretty nicey lacy type shawl. I really do. Or you could make cozies with it. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'd do with it yet. Okay. So yeah, that is my unboxing. And just wait for the video for the drawing that I'm going to be doing. So if you like what you see, can you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share me out, tell your friends about me. Yeah, absolutely, you know. I have a Stamps for Life unboxing as well. I will do that in another video. But I want to get this drawing done, so just stand by for that. Alright guys, now, see you later. Bye! Okay guys, I'm here at the random comment picker. And I need to filter out the words based on a specific text. Spit it out. So let me put the URL in. And type in flowers. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. I had 3 unique comments. Okay. So let's pick the winner. Ooh, Dolly Face Knits. Camille, you won. Anyway. Congratulations. You won. My email is down below, or you know my email, I believe. If you want to let me know where you want this sent, I will send this out to you. Congratulations, Camille. All right, guys. Thank you for participating in this giveaway. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.